Welcome to my channel again, Alaskan Life. Kumusta mga ka-life? Ito na naman ako sa Fairbanks. Fairbanks Pipeline. Ayan po siya ang pipeline. Magte-take ako dito ng video para i-post ko sa YouTube channel, of course. So, ito yung pipeline, guys. Ayan. Over here. 1977. And it is a very, very long pipeline. It is 800 miles from Prudhoe Bay, over there, that is the pump station 1, down to Valdez. That one, the pump station. Ayan, ito po yung Valdez. This is Valdez. And we are here in Fairbanks. Alright. So, this pipeline, ito yung nagdi-deliver or naghahakot ng oil from Prudhoe Bay. The oil will pass through the pipeline and deliver down to Valdez. So, as you can see, it says here that the diameter of the pipeline is 48 inches and it crosses 3 mountain ranges and more than 500 rivers and streams. So remember when I feature the Delta Junction, what is that called? Delta Junction pipeline. So it was crossing the Tanana River. So that is the second river that the second largest river that the pipeline crossed. First one is the Yukon River, I guess. And so the first oil move through the pipeline was June 20th, 1977. So it was they start moving oil and a pipeline in June 20th, and I think they started the construction in March 27, 1975, and it was completely done on May 31st, 1977. So yeah, 2 years in the making, 2 years construction. Alright, so we will go inside. So there is a stream there, and there is a little bridge, as we call it. And there you go, here's the pipeline. It's so amazing. They built this pipeline for 2 years, and it really lessened the cost of oil transportation, because of instead of using boat or anything like that, they just use this pipeline to travel this oil from Prudhoe Bay to Valdez. To deliver the oil. So there you go. That's the pipeline over there. And this is the pump station 8. Alright. So we'll go from here. So there's lots of tourists stopping by to see this pipeline, because this is the place where you could actually see the pipeline very close. Usually it's from the distance. Okay, so there's people doing a hike over there. Alright, so this is the map of Alaska. See how huge it is? And this is, I don't know what is this, but I think this is part of the pipeline. Oh, a retired pig. So this is a retired pig. As far as I know, guys, the pig, they put the pig inside the pipeline like that, and when it turns or spin, it pushes the oil down. See? So inside the pipeline is a pig. This is the pig. They call it a pig. But anyways, so there's people over there. They have a walk. Alright. And this is the retired pig. Probably this is the first one that they installed in the pipeline. So, yeah. And actually, guys, it's already 10 o'clock in the evening. So as you can see, there's still a little bit of daylight. But actually, we are losing daylight little by little every day, okay? Because we're already approaching winter time, so soon it's gonna be fall. Look at the birch leaves. It start to turn yellow. Some of the leaves are yellows already. Right. So I hope you enjoyed our little video for today. At least I showed you the pipeline, and I hope I know I really did not give you a lot of information about it, but I hope you have an idea of how a pipeline looks like. Some of you heard it already, but I think most of us Filipinos don't hear about pipelines. I mean, don't hear about the pipeline here in Alaska. All right. So there's the little stream. Very nice. And actually, guys, the part of that on the other side of the road, it is a gold panning area. If you can see that big dome over there, tourists will go there also to gold pan. And I hear that some tourists collected some golds from that gold panning area. All right, you can see the sign over there. I hope you can see that sign. It says